When to use Azure SQL Scale-Out is a crucial decision for organizations looking to optimize their database performance and scalability. This comprehensive guide will walk you through the key concepts, practical examples, and best practices to help you make an informed decision. First, it is essential to understand what Azure SQL Scale-Out is. Azure SQL Scale-Out is a feature that allows you to distribute your database workload across multiple databases, increasing performance, scalability, and availability. This is particularly useful for applications that experience variable or unpredictable workloads. To determine when to use Azure SQL Scale-Out, you need to consider several factors. One key factor is the type of workload your database is experiencing. If your database is experiencing a high volume of read-only traffic, Scale-Out can help distribute the workload and improve performance. On the other hand, if your database is experiencing a high volume of write traffic, you may need to consider other options, such as sharding or data partitioning. Another factor to consider is the size of your database. If your database is large and complex, Scale-Out can help improve performance by distributing the workload across multiple databases. However, if your database is small and simple, the overhead of Scale-Out may outweigh the benefits. Practical examples of when to use Azure SQL Scale-Out include e-commerce applications, real-time analytics, and social media platforms. These applications often experience variable or unpredictable workloads, and Scale-Out can help ensure high performance and availability. Best practices for implementing Azure SQL Scale-Out include starting with a small scale-out configuration and monitoring performance before scaling up. It is also essential to consider data consistency and integrity when implementing Scale-Out, as well as to ensure that your application is designed to take advantage of the scaled-out configuration. In conclusion, Azure SQL Scale-Out is a powerful feature that can help organizations optimize their database performance and scalability. By understanding the key concepts, considering the type of workload and database size, and following best practices, you can make an informed decision about when to use Azure SQL Scale-Out and ensure high performance and availability for your applications.